So, magkukulay na tayo ng hair. I'm going to apply the protective serum first. Oh, the brand that I'm using is from L'Oreal Paris. This is the Excellence Fashion Ultra Lights. This is my favorite hair color because if from black, it's definitely gonna turn into blondita-ish. So I already put the contents of this one over here as a developer. Yeah, ito yung coloring cream. And now I'm just gonna shake, shake, shake. Wala ng araw. I'm not gonna apply the hair products on my hair. I have my handy dandy hubby here. Say hi. Show yours. Hi. Siya talaga guys, ang nagkukulay ng hair ko. At this is your 5th time. So dapat expert ka na. Ha? Don't miss any roots, papa, ha? Ha? Plastic bag. So it's been 30 minutes. Oras na para ito ay aking banlawan. Isasabay ko na rin ang pagligo. Alam niyo naman, pag nasa bahay ka lang, ang pagligo hindi sa umaga. Minsan sa hapon, minsan sa gabi, madalas wala. Hindi naliligo. Hey there guys! So before I give to you the grand reveal, syempre kailangan medyo maganda rin naman yung face natin. So I'm just going to do a very, very quick makeup look. And then, yeah, I'm gonna show you the outcome of my home quarantine hair makeover. Or guys, so nakapag-bihis na ako and done with the makeup. So it's time to reveal the hair. Oh. At syempre, may pa-blower si Mayor. Hey guys! So, ito na ang aking hair. Medyo lighter talaga dito sa dulo kasi nga, di ba, naka-bleach yan dun sa previous hair ko. Pero at least, hindi na siya ganun ka super duper layo sa the rest of my hair. And mukha namang matino naman yung bangs ko. Sort of. Pwede na yan. So yeah, we are done. That's it for today's video, guys. For my hair and makeup makeover. So shout out to my husband for learning how to color my hair. Pang 5th time niya na to. So good job. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me sa Twitter tsaka sa Instagram at MOR1019Bea. Again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!